Most people use Google Maps to find a restaurant or get directions. But what if I told you it could actually help you make $100 to $200 per day online? Yeah, seriously. There's a simple strategy using Google Maps that just about anyone can start, and the best part? No marketing experience. No tech skills. No big upfront investment. This is the exact strategy I am using to make consistent money online every single day, and it's not some complicated online business model. In fact, I've already shown this to hundreds of people who were able to copy and paste the method and start earning their first dollars online. Let me explain you part by part. Part 1, the business model. So if you're sick of all these side hustles that overpromise and underdeliver, this might be the business you've actually been looking for. Now here's how it works. We're going to use software that's already built, no coding, no building websites, to offer a simple service to local businesses. This one-time setup brings in monthly recurring revenue with little to no ongoing work. Basically, you're setting up a system that helps small businesses book more clients, and they'll gladly pay you every month to keep it running. Part 2, finding clients with Google Maps. Let me show you how to get your first client. Head over to Google and search for any local business. Plumbers, electricians, roofers, real estate agents, doesn't matter. For this example, let's search for plumber in Denver, Colorado. Scroll past the paid ads and look at the local listings. The ones at the top usually have a bunch of 5-star reviews. That's how they rank higher. Now we're going to offer these businesses something brand new, a service that's powered by AI, and most of them have never seen it before. It's not reviews, it's not Facebook ads, and it's not SEO. We're going to say something like this, simple as that. And trust me, after working with thousands of small businesses, I can tell you, every one of them wants more appointments. And if you can do it without costing them money up front, you'll get a lot of yeses. Part 3, how you actually make money. Now you might be thinking, if they don't pay unless it works, how do I make money? Good question. Let me show you. Once they say yes, you'll set them up using a simple AI software. All you have to do is go into settings and turn on something called Conversation AI. Most small businesses don't have time to respond to every Facebook message, Instagram DM, website chat, or text message. That's where this bot comes in. It responds to every customer automatically, saving them time, money, and helping them book more appointments. Setting it up takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Part 4, training the AI bot in minutes. Here's how easy it is. 1. Grab their website URL. 2. Paste it into the AI bot setup. 3. The bot scans their website in about 20 seconds, learning everything it needs, services, hours, pricing, FAQs, all of it. 4. You can also manually add common questions and answers if needed. Then, just turn on appointment booking, link up their calendar, and the bot will automatically guide conversations toward scheduling appointments. Part 5, built-in passive income. Here's the best part for you. Every time the bot replies, it costs you around 2 cents. But inside the software, you can charge the business more per message, maybe 3 or 4 cents. That means you make a profit every single time the bot responds to a message. One business might get 20 messages per day, each with multiple replies. That adds up to real, passive income, on top of the monthly fee. Part 6, turning the free trial into $500 per month. After 7 days of using the bot, and seeing real appointments get booked, you follow up with the business. Of course they'll say yes. They've seen it work. That's when you say, it's a total no-brainer for them. A lot of these businesses spend hundreds just to get one customer. $500 per month to book clients automatically? That's a steal. For watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel.